What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we have another game, Tyke and Sons Lumber Co. I saw this on the Eamon channel a while back. He's pretty tough, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm just gonna press space and get right in. I don't remember nothing about the game though, that's the thing. I've never played this before, unlike Baldi's Basics, but obviously I had played Baldi's Basics a while back and not recently. Let's go, start game. Yeah, bro, I swear there's meant to be like stuff playing, bro. Do I have the wrong speakers going? Yeah, bro, hold up. That's why, bro. Alright, anyways. Well, little Mike, the day has come. No, not the beginning of summer or your coming of age, but me throwing you out on your furry ear. That's what my father said to me when I was your age. Your grandpa Chipper was a great beaver. You can be proud to be his grandson. It's pretty sad that you were never able to talk to him. He disappeared when you were really young. No one knows where he went. Really weird if you ask me. Yeah, bro. Anyway, I'll give you full control over our little lumber company. And I want you to be a great successor. Let's go. You'll spend your days building robots and creating even more things from the lumber you will be gathering. That's tough. Thus, you'll be let free from this prison called home. It's time for you to explore the world. Let's go. I'm going to be watching you from a safe distance. I am a professional. And you can come right after me if you work hard enough. But remember, no one ever beats good old Chipper. He truly was the best. Now get lost. This is your time to shine. We'll start as soon as this text box disappears. Okay. Actually, before you go, take this walkie-talkie. That way we can stay in contact even if you are far away, as if that would ever happen. But for real, you should explore our little company first before I let you off into the dangerous world. Alright? Counting on you, Beaver Boy, and promise me to make me a proud dad, bro. Do not call me Beaver Boy. Anyway, your first task will be to plant some trees right next to the house. There isn't much space, so don't build useless things that we don't need. Okay? Chill. If you want to re-listen to what I just said, press the walkie. No, I don't. Let's go. Getting started on the game. Oh, this is tough. Can I jump? Make lumber? Task? Bag? Plans, plant. Alright. I don't have wood. Alright. Task. Go plant a tree. Right. Plant. Nah, bro. I need to plant. Am I dumb? What the freak? What are you, bro? Yes, I'm so tough. I don't like this little mud monster. Oh yeah. We got a big old tree now. Let's go. Chop the tree. Make lumber. I don't have wood. What? Okay, how do I chop it then? Craft. Oh! I'm tough like that. Chip mat 1.0. That's tough. Let me get bro caught up. Oh, when I water the mud, he becomes a gift. I got a spadar. That's cool. When I go over here. Hey! Alright, I'm planting all those, bro. I got them at the ready. Nah! Who do you think you are, bro? Yeah, that's what I got. That's what I thought, bro. Nah, I'm waiting. Bro. Alright, wait, one more. Alright. Now I make lumber. Yes. Let's go. Shut up. I know, bro. Task. Time to get serious, son. Collect enough items and build a new chip mat. Oh, this is tough. Let's go. What do I do? C. Eat that up. Wait, plants. Oh, yeah. Frog shed. No, I want a frog shed, though. That's kind of tough. Alright, whatever. Chip mat. How do I make him? empty. Oh, I need more lumber. Wait, what am I doing? Oh, dang, I need a lot more lumber. I need a lot more lumber. Not as prepared as I thought. Not at all, bro. Wait, make lumber. Take. Alright, how much lumber do I got? Bro, I swear I'm actually broke. I'm actually broke, bro. Actually broke. Wait, what about these? Yes! Yes, bro. Oh, make lumber. Yes! Yes! Alright, here we go. Big moment. Hold up, wait. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Get out of here, little monster man. I don't know who you think you are. Let's go. We got ropes. Alright, wait. Let's go. Craft. Craft. Oh, plants. Chip mat. Let's go. How do I build him? Wait, what? Okay. Do I not? What the freak? I have old saw and I have lumber. Wait, let me check my bag. I got 4 old saw. I got 4 lumber. Do I have to go like somewhere, bro? Do I have to go over here? What is this? Alright, weird area. That's okay, that's okay. Plants. Plus wood. Right. Yo, what is happening, bro? I'm confused now. Cause how do I make the thing? Am I dumb? Oh, Bill. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Right, I might be stupid because I don't know how I missed that. Get over here, little monster. Oh, dang. Dang, I can big tree, bro. Dang. Alright, more. It's not doing nothing. Oh, look at that, bro. Cinema. Water bottle. Task. What another. Okay, bro. I need more. I need more. Plant. Oh, we're cooking now. This is like a tycoon, bro. Too easy, too easy. I need more lumber, bro. I need more lumber, bro. Give me that. Yes. Wait. I have enough, right? Yes. Oh, hold up, wait. Oh! Oh, yeah. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. You don't understand what I can do, bro. Now I understand. Now I understand. Wait. If I go over here and I just like water this tree so it's big enough. Nah, let me do this one so it's more good. Oh, yeah. Oh! Dang! Alright, and then I eat it. I go to craft and I click it. Then I can build the chip mat. So, what is he doing for me exactly? What does it want me to do now? It's a bird! Press space when you're in front of the house. Wait. I'm gonna eat these guys first. Yeah. Or not eat. What am I saying? Kill these guys. Oh, we're locked. Funny fungus. Okay. Wait, can I just farm materials? Black lumber. Fighting game? Red lumber. Alright. Oh, we need that for the frog shed. Water bottle. Alright, wait. Kill this guy and then we leave. Kill this guy and then we're done. Mini rock. Alright, wait. This game is fun. Space. Let's go. Space. I'm pressing space, bro. Mayo. Yes. Okay, we're in, bro. What a rough day. Do you want to go to bed? Yeah. Alright, let me open the cabin for you. Bet. You're so hard working out, we can switch places. Take your toys to the room upstairs. I will take the attic. Good night, son. Let's go. This is actually a light-hearted game. Unlike Baldi's Basics. That low-key, I low-key got scared. But only for one of them, if I remember correctly. What? How? Oh, okay. Okay, okay. 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 Oh, it's easy, easy, easy. I should have known, bro. I should have known, bro. How? How? Oh. Alright, now I understand. Wait, we're actually locked. Flow state. Flow state. Flow state. Flow state, bro. What do you mean sleep assurance? What is sleep assurance? What do you mean sleep assurance, bro? How do I assure my sleep? Oh. What is that? Nah, bro. What the freak? Go away. I don't like you, bro. That was not tough. I hope he knows, bro. What? It's left. Watch it be left. Yup. Actually, too good. Wait, we just wait. What, bro? Nope. Go away. I don't like this, bro. I don't like this, bro. No, bro, go. Go away, bro. Heck no. No, no, no. Yup. Halfway there. What was that, bro? Wait, am I cooked? No, bro, please, bro. Please! Lock in. 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 Okay, we know he's over here. Or not? Hello? Wait, batteries! No, I'm dead. Oh, never mind. Yes. Go to bed. B. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Why was that stressful, bro? Why was that? Why, bro? Why, bro? Why, bro? Wake up. Okay, bro. Well, that was stressful. Early bird catches the worm, bro. Morning, son. Are you ready for round 2? No. I did not enjoy that whatsoever. I enjoyed the tree cutting part. I did not enjoy the night part. I promised you yesterday you can go explore the island now. I've opened up the gates for you. Don't worry, I won't let you off without a very important task, that's for sure. This is as important as me teaching you how to walk on 2 legs. That's pretty unusual for beavers. Yeah. Mother runs a coffee shop in the town nearby. I need a macchiato to go real quick. Alright, here's a little pro tip. You can find hidden coins if you click on certain objects around you. Bet. Oh, and about the trees. Plant as many as you can. Water isn't the only thing that makes them grow. No, patience is the key to success. Wait. If you think about it, right? These guys haunted me. These guys were at my window. I am not making any more of these, bro. You know what I am making, though? I want to make one of these guys. So, I mean, I am going to need a lot more lumber. But, like, that's okay. You know, bro? Okay, bro. That's okay, bro. I'm going to need more red lumber, too. So, I got to kill these people. I think I have a game. I think this frog thing is going to somehow help me. I hope it helps me. I really do hope. Axe. Oh! Alright. Coconuts. Please don't leave. 40% off everything. Oh. Oh, okay. I think all I did was just accidentally reset. Oh, no. Alright, never mind. I still have all my items, all my stuff. I just wanted to see. So my game does save. So I'm not doing this all in one, by the way. Obviously. Alright, come on, bro. Let's go. Bro, the stupid trees are getting in the way, bro. Hold up. I'm eating y'all. Yup. All I want to do is kill these guys, bro. And they give me red lumber. Yes! Actually, exactly what I needed. Oh, Spadara. I don't need those. Oh, you're back. Okay. Dead. Easy. Mail. Oh, yeah. Oh. Let's go. Come at me, bro. Wait. I'm just gonna grind, and I'm gonna make that frog thing. That's my goal. I mean, also give his mom, or get his coffee from my mom. Let's go. Yup. I actually thought this was just gonna be a happy little adventure. Funny fungus. How many number? Please say 10. 12. Ooh, now we got more stuff. Rock farm, cocktail bar, Spadara cave, palm tree, lighthouse. No. Frog shed. Oh, I can make that. Shush. Oh, actually, thank you. Oh. Alright, lock in. Yes, bro, we got a frog shed. I hope that actually does something for me. It isn't useless. So definitely the next thing we would want is the rock farm, but I don't know. That seems like hard, bro. That's probably gonna be a part 2 thing. Alright, let's beat this boss, bro. Let's beat this boss, bro. Shut up. Lock in. I can just dodge. Or just stand here. I'm the best beaver ever, bro. You don't understand. You don't understand. Go, now he comes down, I tap his head. Now he comes down, I tap his head. Get cooked. Oh, yeah. All the damage. Instant. Actually instant, bro. Wait, that was scary. Oh, I'm dumb. I should just not move. I should just not moved. I should just not moved. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move, Waffle. Waffle? Yes, bro. Yes, actual ore. Easy. What? Okay, they're changing it up now. That's okay. Wish I could jump. Not jumping feels weird. Easy. 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 Spam. Spam W, bro. Yes. How much health does he have, bro? Ow, bro. Oh, that's scary, bro. Watch him shoot him again. Oh, I thought I predicted. No, bro. That's too close for comfort. Actually, bro. Ah. Alright. Watch. Watch it be 4? Is it gonna be 4 this time? Yup. Yo, why does it play like that scary sound effect, bro? In the most happy lollygag time, bro. Alright, lock in. For greatness! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Peace. Oh, we can plant here now. Oh yeah. New area unlocked. Palm branches. Oh, that's for the palm tree. Magic cave. Right, I have to build that. Pay 200 coin, get pearl. Bro, I have 2 coins, bro. I don't know what you want me to do, bro. That's like really above my pay grade, bro. Oh, we got all the trees growing now, bro. Ew. I don't like that. Oh, click the sign, get a coin. Click something, get a coin. Space. Oh, we're about to get so much coffee. Welcome to Retropia, the best-selling video game. Choose a level and beat it to get a really nice prize. Green pipe, alien, prize, one frog. Alright, let's do level 1. Start level 1. Oh, get 5 flowers. Got 1 flower. Got 2 flowers. Got 3 flowers. So, what do I do, bro? What you mean, get 5 flowers? I can't get 5 flowers, bro. I can't get 5 flowers. They're all gone. Can I go backwards? Oh. I see now. Get 5. Let's go. It's here. Take your reward. Maybe I will. Let's go. Nah, bro. I gotta get my dad some coffee and like. What's over here? Alright, anyways. Pay 25 feathers, get crazy face. Oh, that's a good way to get coins. Alright, bro. Nah, alright, I'm just gonna do the main quest. And then I think then I'll be done. There, Mikey. I've noticed your father's sweet little lumber company has been going not so well. Well, not to say our family isn't successful. There are loads of customers throwing themselves in left and right for my delicious coffee and treats. Say, I'm feeling extra nice today, as sales have been oh so high. Let's make a deal for a free coffee to go, I bet. If you beat this minigame, I'll hand you a free coffee to go. Sound good, Gooch? No. Oh, my bad. Yes. A and D, collect snacks. Customer on your left wants drinks, right is snacks. This is for all the people out there who don't know anything about food. Snacks, drinks. Alright. Snacks. Drinks, snacks. Oh, I gotta catch them. Yup. Easy. Easy. Take it. Give me that drink. Okay, never mind. You want? Okay, now we're switching it up. Okay. Can we stack? No. Take it, bro. I swear, bro. I'm actually selling. Bro, take... I press space, right? And then it doesn't, bro. Nope. Take it. I swear, bro. Yup. Blah, bro. Okay. Flow state. Bro. Oh, we retry. No, we got this. Easy. Now I actually know where people are. Let's go. Yup. Blah, bro. You have aura. Okay. That's okay. We can come back. Yup. Okay, we're not getting that donut. That's okay. Flow state. We're exiting the flow state. Yup. Take that. Snap back. Let's go. Oh, you see that perfect timing. That's what GD does to you, bro. No, we're not selling now, bro. It's too late. Let's go. We're actually so good. Here we go. I got coffee to go. It better be the right one, bro. Watch them say it's the wrong one. Bro. Nah, alright. Now, all I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna end it here. Because I know Night 2 is about to be way harder than Night 1. It's about to be insane, bro. And I'm about to get stressed out. And I did Night 1. And this, I'm definitely gonna do a part 2 on. So, you know. I'll probably record Baldi soon. I already have another video that I'm gonna be doing tomorrow. At least when I'm recording this, it's tomorrow. Oh my. Yes, bro. That's why you wait. Fungus. Why am I actually locked in on killing this guy, bro? Oh! Dang. Okay. I'm also gonna check how we're doing on the rock farm. Got lumber. Alright. Flower pot, good rock. Tiki bar, fried cave. Alright, bro. I think with that, we're done, bro. I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye.